Okay, the last step to this assignment is to take that movie you made in Keynote and put it in iMovie so that you can add music to it. That's really the only purpose of iMovie, is to add your soundtrack. So we're going to need the iMovie app. And then you're going to hit plus. You're going to create a new movie. And then you're going to select the video that you need, which should show up. This is showing all my various pictures and videos. So I'm going to select my video, and I'm going to create a movie. There's my video. See, it's already plopped in there, ready to go. So now I'm going to add my audio. On the lower right-hand side, it says audio. What you're going to most likely add is a soundtrack. The cool thing about the soundtrack is that it will match it perfectly to the start and the end of your video. You don't need to worry about trying to fade out and fade in and different things like that. It'll do it all for you. So at this point, I'm going to go up to soundtracks. And there's a ton of different soundtracks in here that you can choose from. You basically have to download it. So you'll see, like, if I pick Melt, I have no idea if this is a good song or not. See how it's downloading it? So now I can take Melt, drag it in there, or actually you can also just double tap it. And now see, it's in there, perfectly put in from start to finish. So once I have that, and I like it, and I like how it sounds, then I am done. So I'm going to click done. There's my movie. I'm going to upload it. And what I want you to do is actually save the video. Don't upload it straight to Classroom, because sometimes that causes a problem. So save the video. This will save the actual video, not the iMovie raw video, but the actual final video. This will save that to your iPad. See, there it is. So now I can get out of here and go into my photos library, and there it is. So I've got the original one and then the new one that I did. And then you would take that video and turn it into Google Classroom or whatever it is that Ms. Tofoya wants you to do with it. All right, there you go. If you have any questions, let me know. I'll be in and out of class to try to help you guys out as needed.